Did you know most expensive AI writing tools are just glorified wrappers around freely available large language models, often delivering generic content? I just cancelled my subscription because a free approach now outperforms them, making my content sharper and more specific. Many paid services offer a one-size-fits-all solution, limiting customization and often falling short on nuanced, technically accurate output. This approach frequently lacks the deep contextual understanding critical for specialized fields like cybersecurity. The secret lies in advanced prompt engineering using foundational open-source or free-tier LLMs. Think of it less as a black box and more as programming an intelligent agent by defining precise roles, constraints, and iterative feedback loops. Instead of a vendor's narrow user interface, you directly interact with the model, becoming the architect of your content. You can train it on specific styles or data, much like fine-tuning a CM query for specific threat hunting patterns. This method gives you unparalleled control, leading to highly contextualized, higher quality output that truly resonates with your audience. You save subscription fees and gain deeper insight into AI's capabilities, boosting your digital literacy. Ready to unlock this power and revolutionize your content strategy? Drop a comment below if you want a deep dive into specific prompt engineering frameworks, and follow for more cybersecurity and tech insights.